In a quiet village, a tiny kitten named Milo lived happily with his mother and siblings. One day, while chasing a bright butterfly, Milo wandered too far from home. When he looked around, he realized he was lost. Scared and alone, Milo roamed the village streets, hoping to find his way back. He meowed for help, but no one seemed to understand him. The sun began to set, and the little kitten shivered in the cool evening air. As he sat near a bakery, the warm smell of fresh bread filled his nose. A kind baker noticed Milo and offered him a little bowl of milk. "You must be lost, little one," she said gently. Feeling comforted, Milo drank the milk and purred softly. Determined to find home, Milo continued his journey. Along the way, he met a friendly dog who wagged his tail and said, "Follow the scent of fresh hay. It will lead you to the farm outside the village." Thanking the dog, Milo hurried toward the scent. As he reached the farm, he heard a familiar voice, his mother's soft meow. Overjoyed, Milo ran toward her, nuzzling into her warm fur. His family had been searching for him too. That night, Milo curled up beside his siblings, grateful for the kindness of strangers who helped him find his way home. Moral: even when you feel lost, kindness and guidance from others can help you find your way back. Thank you for watching.